What you saying, bro? So I was making this video just to give you an example where we're at so far. So basically, the first step of this is going to be a sign up for the person. So they will put their number and the name, and then I'm going to bring them to this page where they could set the current location. Yeah, so you see my current location, they come up with Walton Nisbet Road, blah blah blah. And then they could choose, okay, I want to be dropped off, example, by Yogesh Commercial Building. And then after that, I'm going to have maybe a button saying uh, find ride or get ride or something like that. And when they click that, I think in there, the thing I was saying with WhatsApp sound like a good idea. Then it would go to the WhatsApp group showing the information of where the customer is and where they want to drop off. And then after, the driver could now contact the person via the group and say, okay, this is how much it's going to cost. Yeah. Or in that group, whoever clicked the thing could say, okay, this is what the price is, send, and then after you're going to send the person an email, a WhatsApp of what the price is, please confirm. And then once they confirm the pay, I'll have it that they pay online, or they want, I can have it to that, or they could choose to pay in person, but have the option that they could pay online, and then yeah. So just give me I just giving you a rough thing of where at. If you think it's a bad idea, let me know so I could stop.